Welcome back to Professor Grampy's Garage, and I'm on the third blocking, third prime and third blocking, and it's coming along pretty good. I detailed around all the doors and windows, blocked out the doors, and getting ready to prime it one more time. And one more blocking, and blocked out the whole long side of the bed here, cleaned up around the windows, got that ready for prime. I still have to blend in this rocker panel and keep moving around the vehicle, but a little bit more patching and we'll prime this with some CRE, and the thing is moving right along. Alright, we'll check back with you.